Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, multifunction display, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.